How to play the D minor natural scale with the oboe. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas and today I've prepared a video with which you can learn how to play the D minor natural scale with the oboe. To clarify it for you, I'll show each scale in 4 different ways. In the first one, I'll show each scale on the pentagram. The second one with an image of an oboe with closed colored holes depending on each note of the scale. The third one with a code of fingering for each note of the scale that you can make by hand in your own part or score if you need it. And in the fourth way, I'll play each scale with the oboe. D minor natural scale, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in MusicBayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.